What's up guys, Deepti Borse here and today I come with new topic that is few things that we must keep in mind before lighting diyas and candle at home on festivals and occasions. Hinduism and many other faiths across world recommend the use of light in prayers and festival in the form of diya or candles. The light symbolize the absence of darkness, grief and sorrows. In Hindu, cow ghee is considered best for puja and lightning lamp purpose, and second best after cow ghee on perfect Panchadip oil, which contains sesame oil plus cow ghee plus mahua oil, custard oil plus neem oil in specific ratio. Then comes sesame oil and mustard oil diya or lamp. People says avoid to use groundnut oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, vegetable oils, rice bran oil, synthetic oil and cotton seed oil etc. for lighting diya. This is all about lighting diya. If we talk about candles, candles are well known for their soothing and healing properties and are often used by therapists such as massage therapists to create a wonderful peaceful environment in their therapy rooms. Candles often used in prayers, festivals and some special occasions like birthdays. Nowadays, tea candles are in trend. On Diwali festival in India, burning candles can be beneficial to our health, but some wax candles are actually harmful for our health. With so many options available in market, which one is best? Here we will discuss about all three types of candles generally we use. Paraffin is probably the most common material for mass market candles, simply for its price, and it contains a lot of toxins for getting its pure white color. It gets treated with chemicals, and when we burn it, it releases pollutant into the area which creates health issue. While it is cheap to acquire, but paraffin can be difficult to clean and can stain black, soot on ceiling and wall and furniture. Isn't slowly poisoning our home? On the other hand, we have another two options like soya wax candle and bee wax candle. Bee wax has lot of natural relaxation properties. It has its own scent and its complement any natural fragrance blended into it. There is no wastage or mess, making it easier and safer to burn, but it may little bit costly. But I will recommend these candles if possible. One more organic option, that is soya wax candle. It is cheaper and less pollution release candle. These wax come from hydrogenated soybean oil. So it's your choice guys, and let me know in comment which oil you use in diya as per your tradition, and what do you think which is best candle